project. I just have the passion to convert my waste, organic waste, into maintained gas. So I started this a very long time, but for now, I've come a long way. At least I use my kitchen waste. I also use cow dung. I use poultry waste. I use goat shit to convert into maintained gas, and I use them for cooking. I don't even buy gas.
This is very amazing.
Don't buy gas.
I'm very surprised to hear something like this because currently now gas is very expensive.
Yes.
And that is why you're able to transform your kitchen waste into biogas.
Yes, sir.
How many of you have seen this before? This is Tabawe Choche from Bayelsa State, Nigeria, a talented young man that is transforming waste into cooking gas called biogas. The materials he used to carry out this experiment are agricultural waste materials, waste from his kitchen, cow dung, grasses, and so many other things that he puts together to make biogas, free gas that you can be using to cook in a daily basis. In this video, he's going to explain how he started his journey. Currently, cooking gas is very expensive. That is why he embarked on this journey to transform his kitchen waste and other waste materials into biogas, which is using to cook in a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, watch this video to the end to get the full knowledge on how you can transform your kitchen waste into biogas that you're going to be using to cook in a daily basis.
Do you know you can convert your waste into a cooking gas called biogas? A lot of homes generate waste, and this waste can be transformed back to a cooking gas, which you can use to cook. You can transform your cow dung, your kitchen waste, and your house waste into a technology called biogas that can use in cooking. Here with me is a consultant that have done a great job by converting his kitchen waste into a biogas that is using currently to cook, cutting down the cost of buying of gas. So we are going to introduce him to you for him to tell you how he started his journey. Here with me is a consultant that have transformed his kitchen waste into biogas that is using currently to cook. Sir, please, may I know your name?
My name is Tabawe Choche.
Tabawe Choche, how did you start up this your project? Because I saw that this is a biogas and you are using it to cook without the normal gas that we know. How did you start up this project, sir?
Okay, this project, it has been a long time. I started this project. I just have the passion to convert my waste, organic waste, into maintained gas. So I started this a very long time, but for now, I've come a long way. At least I use my kitchen waste. I also use cow dung. I use poultry waste. I use goat shit to convert into maintained gas, and I use them for cooking. I don't even buy gas.
This is very amazing.
Don't buy gas.
I'm very surprised to hear something like this because currently now gas is very expensive.
Yes.
And that is why you're able to transform your kitchen waste into biogas.
Yes.
How is it possible? It's very surprising to me.
Yeah, it's very possible because like this very one I did, which was for my first project. This one is called a floating mobile digester.
Okay.
This is a floating mobile digester. And as you can see, this is your inlet.
This is the
inlet. This is the waste inlet. You put your organic waste inside this inlet. Then this is your fertilizer outlet. And yes, this place I generate manure. I use them for my farm too. Also, they are very natural manure. Then this one is the gas outlet. From here to my kitchen.
Wow.
From here to my kitchen, and I don't buy gas at all.
Wow.
I don't buy gas for the past few months. I've been using this to cook.
Can you hear you say you don't buy gas at all?
I don't buy gas
at all. Gas is one of the major problems we are having in Nigeria. Gas is very expensive. A kg of gas is up to 1.5. But this is a technology that he has innovated and is using to cook, which I will encourage you that is watching to come for this training. You understand? To learn the basics of how to transform the gas into your kitchen waste into gas that can be used. So we are going to do some demo for you so that you will know what we are saying. So let's do some demonstration.
You like this very one. If you have any kitchen waste, your eba, gare, rice, any kind of waste at all from the kitchen, then you put it inside there. Then from here now, that is the gas outlet. Let me on it so you can see the gas. Already the gas has been generated already. The gas has been generated. The gas has been generated. So you see the flame.
Can you see?
That is the flame.
Can you see the flame?
That is the gas flame. That is the gas flame.
That is the gas flame. From here now, you can connect it
to your kitchen.
So, sir, please, if one want to set up something like this, can you help to set up? What are the?
Yes, I can help to set up. Like this very one now. This one is about 75 liters digester. So although for here now we don't have the balloon as a storage tank. So just like as I told you, this is also a demo. So to set up mini digester like this, at least you need like 250,000 naira.
Just set up,
yes, to set up mini digester like
waste
this.
That
Just waste, just kitchen waste, any kind of kitchen waste at all is applicable to this thing. You can even cut grasses. Yeah, some grasses around. You can cut grasses. You can use cassava peels to generate your gas. So use different organic waste at all you see around the environment. And the one thing about a digester here, this a mobile floating digester, is that it's environmental friendly. It's environmental friendly because the waste is still transformed to the original form, which from the gas outlet. Like the waste outlet.
But this is the waste outlet.
Yeah, this waste outlet. Yeah, I can get the waste back to my farm again. So it's from the origin again. So it's very economical. It's very economical. You don't spend much. All you need to do, cut grass, pound the grass, and put inside the digester, and gas generates within few hours. Gas generates.
You can hear what you have said. This is a very great innovation that will help we that is in growing countries, Africa, which gas is quite very expensive. So for what you are going to do is to come and undergo this training. Basically, he usually train people on this biogas generation. You can undergo training and set this thing up in your house and start using. You will forget about going to buy gas again. Understand? Forget about going to buy gas because this can cost you less and you continue using it, right?
Yes, just from continual using. So as far you are feeding it, just like a human being, once you feed it, it will keep give you what you want. Just feed it every day with your.
Every day you have to.
Yeah, you have to feed it. Well, maybe a day or twice, or in a week. But you must feed it with waste. For it to give you your gas, you must feed it with waste around. If you don't have any waste around, just cut grasses and pound the grasses and put inside. It will still generate methane gas for you.
Okay, sir. So let's say this thing is filled now. How long does it last?
Okay. Currently now, like this mini digester can produce a minimum of 2 kg of gas every day.
Wow, this is amazing.
Yeah, and this is just a demo, as well, like I said earlier. And I can use a bigger container. I can use a very bigger container to actually make bigger gas. But this one the capacity is 2 kg gas every day. This one produces 2 kg of methane gas to me every day, which I use in cooking.
I'm very amazed, sir. I'm very amazed to see something like this. And you're in Bayelsa, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, from Okotiama precisely.
From Okotiama. So
yes,
we are recording this video currently in Okotiama in Bayelsa State. So it's Bayelsa that have brought this innovation to our own place, Bayelsa Okotiama. So I will encourage the government and private sectors who can invest massively on this biogas production and how we can help in eliminating poverty in Nigeria. One of the problems we are having in Nigeria currently is the poverty level is very high. Now, technologies like this, people like this that are innovative, they have to be supported for them to do more production, but for them to expand in their production capacity. So this is a technology that we are using to cook. You understand? We don't buy gas again. We're using this technology now to cook. So we are encouraging you viewing this video to come and undergo training. The company, what's the name of your company, sir?
The company is Chinchon Environmental Management.
Chinchon Environmental Management.
We train people.